Okay, so why didn't anyone tell me that you can just glue your shoes back together instead of buying a new one? Check this out. So it's literally separating right there. Can you see? So this is a heavy duty shoe glue that says it is waterproof, flexible, and dries clear in 24 hours. So after you clean the area, you're just going to lightly sand it. So they give you this to lightly sand it. It does come with a spatula stick and it comes with rubber band so you can actually clamp it down. And I just really like that they gave me everything I need instead of just giving me the glue stick and saying good luck with everything. All right, so I just unscrew it. It does have, I guess, like a little pin inside so that it's never just gonna be like super dried out and then you can't get it out of the tube. Just going to apply it and then I'm going to press it down. Take this rubber band and use it. So that's how I have it, and then it should dry clear. All right, so now I'm just gonna wait 1 to 2 hours for it to dry, and then it should be good to go. But you know, the recommendation is to wait approximately 24 hours. So again, this dries clear, it's flexible, it doesn't smell crazy strong, it is also supposed to be waterproof, and the precision tip really helped along with all the supplies that they gave me. So if you have a shoe that is separating or heel that you need to put back on, you should definitely check this one out.